it were, and you look up and here comes a refrigerator.
Which leads us, of course, to one of the best ever bad dad jokes.
So I think my dad is probably chuckling somewhere saying, hey, is your refrigerator running? And then you go, well, yes.
Remember that old joke?
Yes, the refrigerator.
Much easier said than done. In fact, this fridge could probably hold its own running with the bulls in Pamplona, Spain.
What a story this refrigerator has to tell all the other refrigerators back in the factory.
How much more?
It's like, you know what? This is my time. This is my time to break free. Ariana Grande.
I want to break free.
And that means our delivery man will soon be making a very difficult
The delivery man was like, I delivered your fridge.
Gets on the phone with his bosses. Yeah, I delivered the refrigerator. Sure. Not exactly to the house, mind you, but it's pretty much. Yeah, yeah.
You remember that cute little nursery rhyme, rain, rain, go away? Well, so does this guy.
Did he not know it was going to rain? Does he not watch the Weather Channel?
The dad. I love the dad.
He's
just like fierce when he's driving.
Guessing that's mom, and I want to bet mom said, hey, you know what? I checked the forecast. It might rain.
And dad said, nah, it's good. We're good.
Try telling that to the children.
You know,
Are they
I think
sleeping?
this is something those kids are going to remember.
He opened the sunroof.
Maybe so.
The sunroof?
Fond recollection?
Or is it a?
Therapy.
Is it
Just
a?
like,
Oh, that's, you're getting wet?
Yeah.
Probably just like, so, is this normal? It's never rained in the car before. Each one of these are different levels of I'm embarrassed by my dad's life decisions here. And the mom is just making light of it. And
Why don't they
sometimes
just
that's what
close
you
the
have to do
thing?
in life. That can only
Close the
be the
door.
face of a wife who has won the battle of I told you so.
Which means what for Dad?
Why doesn't he close it?
That's the face of a man who knows I'm going to hear about this for the rest of my life. Because he will.